So in this video, we'll start by just doing a warm-up for the Titanic dataset. So we'll read it in. So okay, that's the Titanic. So now what we need is the percentage of people who did not survive, and we want it as a function. Okay, so I'll call it percent died or something, and it's going to be a function of the Titanic. So usually what you want to make sure of is that kind of all the information that you're using in the function is given to it as an argument. So here the Titanic dataset is given to it as an argument. So we want the percent died. So Titanic dollar survived. That's trues and falses, with true corresponding to survived. So we want died. So that's Titanic survived equals 0. The trues now correspond to did not survive. So died. So the mean corresponds to the proportion of trues here, which is the proportion of people who died. So that's about 61%. So in order to actually make it percent, we multiply it by 100. And now we can use it. So we'll say percent died, Titanic, and we got 61.44%. So the next one is we want to write a function that takes in the name of the person, like in the Titanic data frame, right? So Titanic like this. So the name is given like this, and we want the last name. And what's given to us is that we can use this kind of pattern here. So we can use, so this would give us like go and tigers. So I can go like wards 1, and that would be go, and wards 2, and that would be tigers. Okay. And we can use it with like, so if we go do something like this, we could do wards at 4, and that would be go because that's the last word. Okay. So we want the last name, so we want the last word. So how do we do it? Well, we just do length of words, and that is going to be the last word, in this case, go. Okay, so now we can do extract last name or something. That's going to be a function of the name. So what we want is exactly the same kind of thing. So here, we don't know what it's going to be, so we'll just put in name here. Okay, so like this. And now we want the last one, so we'll say words at length of words. So if we try it, so we can do like Titanic $1 name. That's a name. So if we try extract last name, we'll run into a bit of trouble because it'll say that's not the character, that's because it's a factor. So before we do anything, we want to convert the name to character, so we can just say as character name like this. So now if we do extract last name, that's going to be fine, and we can check that that is the right thing. Okay. So now what we want to do is we want to use sapply in order to add the column last name to Titanic. So how do we do that? So we need to apply the function extract last name to every element of the column name. So if we do Titanic $name, that's going to be all the names. And we want to apply extract last name to everyone. So it's sapply, and we say Titanic $name. So that's going to be the X. And then we're going to say fun is extract last name. So those are the last names. So because we did kind of extract last name, the first one, extract last name, the second one, extract last name, the third element of this, and so on. So now we can say Titanic, and we can say last name, and just put it like this. So that's a vector of all of them. So that's